Hello everyone, my name is Kolawole Olarewaju Sunday. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Our topic for today is Basic Introduction to Mathematics. Our instructional resources are YouTube, Google, textbook, and smartboard. Our vocabularies include history, mathematics, branch, scholar, real life, and application. Instructional techniques include explanatory, discussion, and demonstration. Our entry behavior. The pupils are familiar with mathematics in their daily activities. Behavioral objective. At the end of this lesson, the learners should be able to narrate the history of math, define mathematics, list and explain the branches of mathematics, identify and state some scholars and their contribution in the field of mathematics, enumerate the application of mathematics in our daily activities. Mathematics is a historical subject. It has been explored by various mathematicians across the world since centuries in different civilizations. Archimedes from the BC century is known to be the father of mathematics. The word mathematics is originated from the Greek word called mathema, which simply means subject of instruction. History of mathematics has been an ancient study and is described by each part of the word in varying method. What is mathematics? Mathematics is a branch of science that deals with the study of numbers, shape, data, measurement, and logical activities. Who is a mathematician? A mathematician is someone with the knowledge of mathematics. Branches of mathematics. Basically, there are two branches of mathematics. We have pure mathematics and applied mathematics. For pure mathematics, we'll be discussing this more better in our next slide. And for applied mathematics, include any area or course in which mathematics is being applied, such as sports, music, um, economics, chemistry, physics. Any area in which mathematics is being applied or used is called applied mathematical course. There's the map of mathematics. We have applied mathematics, and under this we have mathematical analysis, we have mathematical chemistry, we have economics, we have mathematical physics, and under pure mathematics we have measurement, we have topology, we have geometry, etc. etc. Branches of pure mathematics. This include geometry, computation and estimation, calculus, statistics and probability, algebra and measurement. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that is used for the purpose of expressing a mathematical equation through the development of relationship with the use of letter or other symbols to represent the entities. Branches of algebra include elementary, advanced, abstract, linear, and cumulative. What is calculus? Calculus is the branch of mathematics that deals with continuous change. Calculus is also called infinitesimal calculus. The meaning of classical calculus is the study of continuous change of function. Branches of calculus include limit, differential calculus, integral calculus, multivariable calculus, which is also known as function theory. What is measurement? Measurement is a technique in which the property of an object are determined by comparing them to a standard quantity. Also, measurement is the essential metric to express any quantity of objects, things, and events. Branches of measurement include time, length or distance, mass or weight, volume, and temperature. What is geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the shape, angle, dimension, and size of variety of things we see in our everyday activity. Geometry is derived from a Greek word as well. Geo means earth, and metrons means measurement. Branches of geometry include lines, shape, angle, area and perimeter, volume and surface, area, trigonometry, Pythagoras theorem. What is probability? Probability means possibility and is a branch of pure mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. Branches of probability include theoretical probability, experimental probability, axiomatic probability. What is statistics? Statistics is the study of the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. Statistics branches include descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. What is computation and estimation? Computation and estimation is the process of estimating, approximating, or rounding off the numbers in which the value is used for some purpose in order to avoid complicated calculation. Branches of computation and estimation include rounding off, place value, use of compatible number, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. Scholars and their contribution in mathematics. Euclid. Euclid was one among the famous mathematicians and he was known as the father of geometry. Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem is very popular and is an important mathematical formula that we use to solve mathematical problems. All of us have probably struggled to solve mathematical problem applying the Pythagoras theorem then in our secondary school or even we do that in primary school, that's basic 5 now. Archimedes. Archimedes was a Greek scientist, a great mathematician, and a physicist. He also worked his entire life in search of discovery mathematical formula that are related to physics. His best contribution of Archimedes is an invention of compound pulley. Also in physics, he also propound the Archimedes principle. Heroes of Alexandria. Aaron's formula in Math Blaise Pascal. Math Blaise Pascal is a French philosopher, a mathematician, a physicist. He contributed to the several areas of mathematics, but he is widely known for Pascal triangle discovery in mathematics. Aristotle. Aristotle was a great scholar and he had vast knowledge in various areas such as physics, mathematics, geology, metaphysics, medicine, biology, psychology. He was a student of Plato. Diophantus. Diophantus talks about the algebraic equation and is also popularly known as the father of algebra as well. Ptolemy. Ptolemy was a mathematician. He was also a geographer, musician, writer, and astronomer. His contribution to mathematics were incredible. He wrote about mathematics, and among them his best treatise was called Almagest. He also believed that in the universe the position of the earth was in the center. Antiphon. Antiphon discovered the value of pi. This renowned mathematician was the first who calculated the upper bound and lower bound values of pi by inscribing and circumscribing around a circle. Hero of Alexandria. Heron's formula is in mathematics is applied by students from class 6 upward. He was the one that discovered the square root of number in today's mathematics. His formula is known as Heron's formula. Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was one of the greatest contributors in the field of mathematics and physics. He works, his works are spread in almost every field. He developed calculus, both differential and integral. Application of mathematics. In communication, everyone has cell phone. which require basic knowledge of skills and mathematics, in which we need to know the numbers and how they work on a cell phone. In computer science, mathematics helps us to learn about data entry in many functions, such as engineering, science, etc. etc. Mathematics is a fundamental intellectual tool in computing, banking, and finance. Mathematics is the most important part of banking and finance matter. It is necessary to be accurate in the accounting to be able to maintain the money in an optimal manner. In sport, mathematics is an important part of the sport field. It plays a big role in the efficiency of sports. Mathematics improves a person's cognitive and decision making in sports. It also helps the player to determine the angle that the ball hits to achieve a goal. In population, mathematics is applied in population and it is used to study the extent of population growth by environmental scientists and the extent of population density. In the kitchen, mathematics is also applied in kitchen and it plays a major role in the kitchen. For instance, baking and cooking require some mathematical skills in in our cooking. Every ingredient must be measured and sometimes we need to multiply or divide to get exact amounts we needed. Mathematics helps to estimate the quantity of food we need to prepare. In music, mathematics and music are already connected and we usually use numbers and mathematics to describe and teach music. Understanding fraction and ratio helps to understand the rhythms of musical notes. In agriculture, mathematics is applied in agriculture and it's also important in this field. It helps the farmer to determine the accurate weather condition and also to accurately describe the soil acidity. It allows the identification of crops that can be grown in a particular soil and the size needed. Thank you for your time. God bless you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the notification button for the next lesson. Our next lesson is going to be on measurement. We are going to start with measurement fully. Thank you. God bless you.